Okay, this is a portable power pack, a jump starter that I carry in my car all the time. So the other day I was thinking, this is going to be in my car all the time anyway. Why can't I just use this for some portable operations with some QRP radios? So today I'm going to open it up. We're going to figure out how all these connections are wired. We're going to figure out what kind of batteries inside, and then what kind of what we need to do to use this for portable operations. Just finished up the capacity check of this pack. We were able to get 4 amp hours out of it, and I went ahead and I just used that 5.5 millimeter barrel plug connection here. This one is rated for 10 amps, so I'd feel pretty safe taking 10 amps out of it. The only problem is it is an unregulated voltage, so you're going to get whatever the battery voltage is at. So on the high end you're going to get 16.8, low end you're going to get about 10.4. And I was able to see the cutoff voltage, so like I said, 10.4 is where it shut off. You also have this other connector here. This is just an EC5 connector with a couple of additions on it. You'll see a little piece of metal down in there, and then this side here has a cutout to allow those two connections to contact. This connector, the reason why you don't want to use this one to pull power from is it goes directly to the power pack, the battery pack, and there's no voltage cutoff in there. So you can overdraw that battery pack, which is not a good thing to do on this lithium ion. And there we go. We're gonna go. Okay, the pack's all put back together, and I charged it to about 3/4 of its rated capacity. So now we got to figure out how we're going to get when it's fully charged at 16.8 volts, and our radio is going to run about 13.8. So we got to get that voltage down. It wouldn't be safe to plug this into our radio as it is. I went ahead and got this. I got a bunch of these kicking around. All it is a DC to DC converter. Put a barrel plug on the end of it. Make sure your polarity is correct. That one plugs in here. This is not going to show up very well on camera. You can kind of see it looks like it's pulsing, but it's actually steady right now. The other end is the plug that goes to my QRP radio. So right now we can see coming out of this pack, bring this meter over here, 15.3. I've already adjusted this on the other side here. We have it adjusted to 14 volts output. Now if you want to move that around, all you do is you change this little potentiometer here, and that's it. Now today is the North American QSO party, so we're going to go outside and we're going to run this battery pack with one of my QRP radios and make a few contacts and see how it works. The biggest concern is whether we're going to have some RF noise or not from this buck converter.
CQNA, kilowatt 0, Alpha Delta. CQNA, kilowatt 0, Alpha Delta.
Lima, Brant, Minnesota. Thanks, QRZ, K1 Kilo, Delta.
Okay, that DC to DC converter sounded pretty quiet. Didn't hear any RF on it, so that's good. And now I have a little portable power pack that I could take with me to parks on the air or summits on the air. It's not too heavy. Thanks for watching, and if this is something that interests you, please hit subscribe. 7-3.